Okay, our next number is 21 times 34. 21 times 34. Now remember, multiplication means we add many times. This time we're going to multiply 21 times 34, which means we're going to add all these little parts of it together. But first, let's break down the number to figure out what we're multiplying many times with. 20, if I break it down, is 20 and 1. 34, if I were to break it down, would be 30 and 4. Now on my square, I'm going to place the first number up top. Let's bring this down a little bit. It's a little too high. On my first number, I'm going to bring 20 and 1 up top. 20 and 1. If I'm going fast, don't worry. There'll be a recording. 20 and 1 up top. Now my second number, 34, I'll be placing up down here on the next column, 30 and 4. The vertical column is going to have this next number. Just make sure you're placing the first number here, 20 and 1, and then your next number, 30 and 4, will come next to it, 30 and 4. You always want to place your big numbers close together. The big numbers will always be together. And then you multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 20 times 30 is 600. Next, I'll do 30 times 1. 30 times 1 is 30. 1 times 30 is 30. 30 times 1 is 30. Next number is 20 times 4. 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then how many zeros are there? You put 1. 20 times 4 is 80. 20 times 4 is 80. And then you want to double check. Make sure you're confirming your numbers are correct. 20 and 1, 30 and 4. 30 times 20 is 600. 30 times 1 is 30. 20 times 4 is 80. And then 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Now, once you've double checked your numbers, here is where you're going to add 600 plus 30 plus 80 plus 4. Now, you can add these up anyway. I like to write them down in order from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest, because it's a little bit easier to see. 600, 80, 30, and then 4. Okay? Now, what you can do is you can bring the numbers down as you add them together. Just be really careful, because I see an 8 and a 3. And I know 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then bring down your 0. And then 600. Now I have 600 plus 110 plus 4. Well, 6 plus 1 is 700. And then I have 10 and 4. 714. Now, if it's easier for you to see it this way, that's fine. But if it's harder to see it that way, you can change it. So let's bring these numbers of the side. Let's bring them over here. 600 plus 110 plus 4. 4, 1, 7. 714. When you go back, double check. You want to confirm all the numbers match. 21 times 34. When you break 21 down, it becomes 20 and 1. When you break 34 down, it becomes 30 and 4. Then you write 20 and 1 on the top column. The side column, you write 30 and 4. 30 and 4. 20 times 30 is 600. 30 times 1 is 30. 20 times 4 is 80. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I'm ready to add all my numbers. 600, check. 80, check. 30, check. 40, check. Then you combine. 600 plus 110 plus 4. How did you get 110? 110 was 80 plus 30. I know 8 plus 3 is 11. And when I add 80 plus 30, I get 110. Now here, 60 plus 110 plus 4. I wrote that on the bottom. When we're dealing with hundreds, it's okay to line it up like this. 4, 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. Again, this is really advanced. It's good that we play with numbers, but don't ever feel pressured. Go slow, don't go fast. Don't ever think you have to be fast. The more we practice, the easier it is for you to see. You don't have to memorize anything. Just follow with your fingers, follow with your eyes, okay? Let's practice some more.